The law is not an instrument of oppression. It is a language of justice spoken on behalf of those who cannot speak on themselves. This quote beautifully describes the essence of legal profession in a diverse country like India, where the law must speak the language of those who are voiceless, and it must be the shield of those who are vulnerable. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Namaskar and a very warm good afternoon to one and all present here. I am Alicha Begum from BALLB first semester, and it is truly an honor to stand before you today and speak on a topic that carries the very heartbeat of our democracy, the prospects and challenges of the legal profession in contemporary India. Now, the legal profession is not only a career, it is our call of conscience. It is about standing firm when the truth begins to fade in the background, and about bringing light when the truth begins to tremble. We are not merely the interpreters of law. We are the guardians of justice, the rights and defenders of democracy, and the very voice of those who are silenced not only by inequality, but by fear and ignorance. Today, the legal landscape of India is standing at a turning point, where digital transformation have made a great difference. The AI-generated researches, virtual hearings, and digital courts are literally transforming how justice is delivered in India. The profession itself is going through a very big transformation, providing young legal minds like us opportunities to make an impact not only in the courtrooms, but in human rights, in policy making, and even in governance. Yet, amidst all these advantages lies a reality that is continuing to haunt our legal system. That is, the crisis of delay. Our courtrooms are filled with echoes of unheard voices, and our files are beginning to gather dust by being stirred everywhere. Because we are somehow ignoring the fact that verdict delayed is not only verdict paused, but justice lost. So what is our part in it? We, as a part of this noble profession, are entrusted with the responsibility to bridge this gap between the society and to make an impactful decision in our society. We as a part and budding lawyers must look after how the justice is interpreted in our society. We need to make justice not only accessible, but actually attainable. And I believe the development of future legal profession in India will not be developed by technology alone, but by the moral courage of those who can actually uphold it. As Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer once beautifully said, law is not a trade, not briefs, not merchandise, but a profession, a trust. And that trust, ladies and gentlemen, is sacred, that we need to perform, because that trust demands from us endless empathy, dignity, integrity, and the audacity to speak for those who cannot. So let us be the generation that can speak up and that can change the system and that can make law actually useful to those who need it. Let us be the generation that does not just practice law, but lives in the spirit of it, the spirit of fairness, endless empathy, and humanity. With these few words, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you very much.